Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I do want to show you this on the rear of my C6 Z06, and also this, I think you will find this on the rear of the C6s that are called Grand Sports. And there's a good old-fashioned grease fitting on the back here. On the it's on the tie rod end. You're supposed to grease this every grease job, or if you track the car, you're supposed to do it every track day, I believe. Anyway, I just hit mine with a grease gun, and there are no grease fittings in the front or anywhere else on the car. I believe it's just these two on the rear. One on the other side there, but I'm not going to crawl over there and show you. Just take my word for it. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And see you later. Have a fun, safe weekend. Froggy out. Bye-bye.